Animals are losing their homes. Animals are losing their homes, losing their homes, losing their homes. Animals are losing their homes because trees are being cut. Tigers find it difficult, difficult, difficult. Tigers find it difficult. They find it difficult, and that's the fact. Sparrows lose their nest in the trees, nest in the trees, nest in the trees. Sparrows lose their nest in the trees because trees are being cut. Bees find it difficult, 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 difficult. Bees find it difficult, they find it difficult, and that's the fact.